Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. So in this video, we'll be looking at the CIE, Cambridge, IGCSE, ICT, Paper 3, Data Analysis. We'll be looking at it in May, June 2017, and we'll be looking at the second variant. Okay, so let's dive into data analysis. Okay. You're going to help the trainee analyze data about some average bond speed test. Taken on a single day. Use the most efficient method. So open the file, baud 1732 broadband. Okay. And 1732 provider. Okay. And of course, so I think this is going to be the lookup. Okay. Just going to adjust the codes. Okay. Save the file 70 broadband as a spreadsheet with the file name broadband underscore your center number and your candidate name. Click on Save As. Okay, broadband underscore center number AN017 underscore 2023. Just to be sure, we're saving it as a spreadsheet. Okay, I want to be sure it is the right place. Yeah. Yes. If the broadband in your broadband spreadsheet, click on Insert, write your text, headers and footers. Place your name, center number, candidate number. So I'm going to place my name. In your broadband spreadsheet, place your name, the center number, and the candidate number, center align in the footer of the page. I'm going to click on Go to Footer, Ajiro, ND, AN017 2023. Center align the footer of the page. Okay, click on View Normal. Insert two new rows above row 1. Okay, insert. In cell A1, enter the title, broadband speed test. In cell E2, enter the subtitle, in cell E2, okay, all these are few marks we just get. In cell A1, merge cell A1 to AF. Text is center aligned. With a white 24 sans with a white 24 serif. The white 24 serif, which is the Times New Roman. It has a black background color. Okay. Merge E2 to F2. Format this merge cell to a right align subtitle. Merge A2 to D2. Merge cell A2 to D2. So without doing anything, guys, you're just accumulating the marks, which is very, very important. Now in cell C4, let's go to cell C4. Okay. Enter a function to look up the name of the broadband provider from the content of the file 1732 provider. Now for you to be able to use a lookup, you should be able to open the two Excel files that you were told to examine. Very, very important. You were told to examine. You have to open it. You have to open the main one, which is the broadband. You have to open the provider also. That is the only way the lookup is going to work. Okay, we're good. Okay, so enter effort to look up the name of the broadband provider from the content of the file 1732 provider. So obviously, if you look up this has a P code, and this also has a P code. Okay, so FP code here means ECC. Okay, so I'm going to use equals to. Now it's going to be a VLOOKUP because obviously going from the top. Okay, so equals to VLOOKUP. I'm going to look up this, comma, the table array, no, I'm just going to take this off. Okay, I need to okay, so it's fine. Okay, so equal to VLOOKUP, look up this, comma, okay. We're looking at the second one, comma, it's going to be an exact match. Okay. We duplicate this formula for each speed test. Save your spreadsheet. Save. Print only the cell A1 to F18 showing the formula. A1 to F18. Okay. A1 right here to F18 showing the formula. Okay. So we're going to show the formula. Okay. So I'm going to click on file, click on print. It's going to be landscape. The row and column headings are displayed. Click on page setup, sheets. Okay. The content of cell A1 to F17, F18. Now this is for all sheets. I'm going to do pre-selections. Yeah. The content of A1 to F18 is important. You change this from print active sheet to only the selection is showing. This will be our printed one. Okay. Print all the spreadsheet showing the values. Okay. Click on file, save. Click on file, print. Change this to active sheet. It is in a portrait orientation. And it fits on a single page. Okay. This is why it's important to check, to toggle to check to ensure that is done. The rows and column headings are not displayed. So you can use it to check. Another way you have to check is you're going to see one of one. That means it's in one page. The content of the cells of all cells are fully visible. This will be our printer 2. They said make sure you have entered your name, center number, candidate number on the sheet showing the values. And our name, center number, candidate number are there. So this will be printout 2. Place the image into the merge cell. Place the image 1732 logo into the merge cell A2 to D2. Click insert. That's 1732 logo. make the image fit the available space in the cell by increasing the height of row of row 2, adjusting the image size. By increasing the height of row 2, I think we can have formula here. I think home. I think we can make this 17. Okay. Okay. Let me check what's the same. Increase the height of row 2, adjust the image size. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Okay. Extract only the text with a download speed greater than 30 megabits per second for these providers. Now, whenever they say extract, interrogate, you're talking about filter, right? So you highlight the headers right here on home tab, click on filter. Okay. Okay. I think it's cool. So extract only the text with the download speed greater than 30. So let's do that. Download speed greater than 30. This is the download here. Number greater than what? 30. Okay. These are the download speeds greater than 30. For these providers, okay, so the providers is equal to, okay, I'm just going to copy this, Virgin Media, okay. I'm going to use the or because obviously that's what we want. So just going to write it. Seems weird to copy 3. And, I think we have okay, I think we have more. This is not going to be enough because obviously this is for 2. So I think what I can do, okay, custom filter, let's see. No, it still doesn't work, just 2 characters. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to type search for it. No, I'm going to do this, select all and search for it. So the first one is Virgin Media. Okay. Okay, still doesn't work, so I think I'm just going to select it manually to Virgin Media. I have three. Virgin Media, Orange, and what? T-Mobile. With T-Mobile. Yeah, okay. So we have Virgin Media, 3, Orange, and T-Mobile. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What else? Sort the data into ascending order of provider. I'm going to sort it. Select everything. Right here, click on custom sort according to provider. This will be what? Ascending order of provider. That's A to Z. Okay. Print only the extract showing this value. This is going to be print out 3. Copy. Okay. Print. Okay. Alright. It fits into a single page. Content of all cells are fully visible. Okay. So this is going to print out 3. We find this extract so that only the data with an upload speed of less than 10 megabits is present. Okay, so we find, we're going to take it off. So we're going to refine it again. Filter, click on the upload speed greater than what? 10. Upload speed is greater than 10. Now most time they give the symbol, right? This other time they give the word. You just have to know difference. Okay, so this means greater than is present. Sort this data into descending order of region. To assorting it into descending order of region and descending order of download speed. Okay, so they are both the same. Descending order of region and descending order of download speed. Okay, all right. Print only this extra showing the value. Click on file, click on print. Show things cut off. This will be printout 4. Calculate from all data the average download speed for each region. So I'm going to take this off. Okay. Yeah. Now we're going to calculate the average speed of each region. Okay. So we're going to calculate it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the function average. Okay. So let's see what we have here for each region. Okay, I think I see southwest, northeast. I'm going to sort it. I'm going to sort it by region. Okay, so I have calculate from the average, calculate from all data the average download speed for each region. Okay, so we can have, so for each region I have Brittany here, Eastern. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is paste this here, the average download speed for each region. Okay, so I can have equals to, right, and equals to equals to equals to equals to equals to equals to equals to. Okay, and we have this. For each region. Okay. Okay. So we have this average speed for each region. So we have an average if the range is going to be this, comma, the criteria is this, comma, the average range is this. Okay. Now, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I think we're going to need to have an absolute right here. Okay, put in my dollar sign. Okay, my dollar sign as well. Okay, so obviously this is the only thing that will be dragging to, and others will still stay the same. Good, because obviously others are moving along with it, so that was having some issues. So obviously we are, these two um, becomes the absolute because they are the same, and this is the only thing that is incrementing, not this as well, because obviously this is static. So obviously if we're dragging down, this is also being dragged. Okay, just trying to see if there's a whole number or not. Okay, so it wasn't stated. So obviously I'm just going to make this to one decimal place, or at least a two decimal place. Now just single, want to know the average for each of them. Okay, we can just make it two, it's fine. Yeah, okay, I think that's that. Okay. Now the whole essence of this, of what we just did, is we had to make this and this absolute, because obviously when we are scrolling down, this is going to be, and we had to make this relative, because if it's going down, for example, this is h5, h6. So obviously if we're doing this, this is also going down um, from a d4 to a d5, and this may not give us. So obviously we'll be looking for the values may not even be the same. Okay, so yeah, we could just do a test to see if it works. We could just take this off. I just want to see something. It's going to show div or two because of the data that we have. If I just okay, but I'm just going to copy this and paste this as a value, and I'll take this off, and I'm going to delete this to see. C4. No. Oh, okay. Okay, like I said, I'm going. No, I just want to show you something. So let me copy this. So I can just paste it here as a value. Okay. And I'm just going to take off the dollar sign and show you what happens. Okay. So actually it's identical. What I'm saying here is identical as well. So I think it worked. I think it was able to trace it for us, but obviously we're getting the error message that the formula is this cell, and we could just update this formula to include cells. And then we have, this is D11, this will be D11 to D7, this will be D10 to D70. So it's incrementing, guys. It's incrementing. That's the whole essence of this, right? That's why we have to use it, because the more we go down, the more it keeps going to D70. You can see that, right? See, it's going down E to D, and this cells ends in D64, and now we have D67 as well. That's the whole essence of the absolute cell reference. It's just going to look up, it's just going to test on only that values, because absolute is, the more you drag down, the more it increments, it goes down and down. Okay, hope you get it. I felt like, now if you check here, the only thing that goes down is just what we is just the criteria, which goes down and down. Okay, yeah. Okay, hope it's clear. Okay, show evidence of your method of calculation for all the regions, right? Method of calculation for the place screenshot evidence of this into your evidence document. So I'm going to uh, click on formulas, going to show formulas, and I'm going to place this to ensure nothing cuts, guys. Okay, I'm just going to take a screenshot of my snipping tool. Okay, something was wrong with my snipping tool. Okay, okay, so I just need to take a screenshot of this. Okay, this will be what in evidence 8. Oh, I think this is the first time we're opening evidence document. Evidence 8. Okay, okay, so I think I can take the screenshot here. Right, this I think is better. I think it's able to fill up my. It's fine. So it's cool. Yeah, yeah, it's cool. So yeah, so I think this is done. Create and fully label a chart to compare this data. So we want to compare the data we've just from all these data to the average speed. You want to compare, write a chart. You want to create a chart for it. So I'm going to ensure the formulas. Okay, so let's go ahead. So let's create a chart. So I'm going to select this. Obviously, you want to compare. So a bar chart is cool. So I'm going to create the bar chart. The chart title obviously is going to be this. So I'm just going to copy everything here. Said create and fully label a chart to compare this data. Okay, so we have them here. We can add a label. Yeah, we can add this title. Yeah, but this will be for region. This will be for sorry. This will be for download speed. Download speed. And this will be for region. Okay, download speed, region. Okay, I think we've done the major here. Yeah, I think it's good. places here. Fine. All right. Okay. Place a copy of your chart into your evidence document. I'm going to copy it, and I will come to my evidence here. Now paste as a picture. Okay. So this is okay. So yeah. So I think we are done with this paper. So it's been, I think it's been relatively easy. I think the only difficult part was calculating the average download speed, how we can calculate for each of the region, how we can just do it together to ensure. Although we did the normal one, it was okay, but obviously it was just showing the average of empty spaces. But obviously, if we do if we show the calculations, it's going to show wrong. Obviously, it just wants to show for that. Okay, so thank you, and please don't just watch it, practice along with it, like this video and subscribe. Okay, see you next time.